Hey everyone, ice fishing up on Lake of the Woods. It's quite a blizzard up here, good strong winds coming on. Can't even see where we came from over there. Just white out here. Here's Shack 63 where we're staying, but you look around, we didn't see anything. Wind's out of the south, so we came from over in that direction over there. There we go, there's our shack. Only been fishing about half an hour this afternoon. We have a full day tomorrow, so it's kind of a sort of bonus time right here. There's Coach Scott Nelson. How are we doing today?
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, enjoying a little Northwoods fishing.
How are we doing so far? We just got maybe for half an hour or whatever.
Pretty slow.
Yeah, so pretty slow. Here's my holes. Now, here's what irritates me. The guy who brought us out, this hole over here, that one's really drilled out nicely. This one, not so much. But we'll give these minnows a little action here. Using fat heads. What, 32 feet of water? Something like that. But we'll see how it goes here. Just slow. What is it, about after 3 o'clock right now?
Yep.
Okay, so maybe a little bit early for the fish to start biting, but we got up here, we got checked into our cabin, and then we were able to come out to this ice house, but tomorrow is more of our bigger day for ice fishing. Wind is blowing, like I said. It's a complete whiteout. It's a blizzard out here. You can't see anything. Nothing at all. It's a whiteout. And we came, like I said, from over in that direction. There we go, Lake of the Woods. And hopefully we'll pull in some fish. Fish House 63. Of course, they're heated. Big propane tank here. Hopefully we won't run out of propane. It's pretty toasty in the house here. Yeah, we're doing okay. We're just hunkering down. They'll come out here in a couple hours to get us. So, they have some action there.
Getting pretty antsy.
Yeah. Let's see if we get something here.
Trying to get some walleye.
Yeah. Let's see what happens. They were catching them this morning, we know. So.
Caught a dozen last year.
Yeah, we did really well. I thought it was more than a dozen. We caught quite a few pike. So we'll sign off for now. We start catching some fish. We'll let you guys know. And talk to you later. Bye.